All right, so welcome back to HPT, where we're gonna trade live Asian session. Give me a minute here. Let me get situated.
Losing trade.
Seller's showing a lot of strength.
Once again, though, right?
I
it's
like it.
right at the open.
And
Green bar
I'm
ignored.
currently looking
Battle.
for potential
No
short
follow
play.
through. And then
First thing I'm
price
gonna want
finally
to
breaks
do
up
is
to the
just plot
upside,
out all
right?
my
It was a super
levels.
choppy day.
So
But yeah, if
let
you
me
guys
pull up
want
the-
these, go on my
Let me see
website.
here, actually.
Opt in. I send them to you weekly. Phenomenal
Let's
resource.
come over here.
It's going to really help you
All right, so N and
get
Q.
that conviction, right? This was a trade. This was a monster. We actually traded this day live on YouTube. Absolute monster. I think one ES contract paid out over like $3,000 on this trade. And once again, like all we did was trade the RBI and the GBI. And the 1 minute 20 retest. But on this one, you'll see 5 minute 20. So I appreciate you guys coming. You guys are on the Discord. You might not have full access to everything, but you have access to me. If you want to DM me, I am here for you. There's a bunch of free resources on our Discord. There's a bunch of mini courses. So check those out. If you guys have any questions, this is me. Send me a friend request. There's tons of fakes. You're going to get tons of fake requests within the next 6 months. Don't give anybody any money. Make sure you friend request me.
Yeah,
otherwise,
so I got the
it's
daily out.
It's a scammer.
I'm just trying to plot some
targets
targets here.
All right, so I appreciate you guys coming. Shoot me a message if you need anything. Welcome to HPT, and I'll keep you guys posted on our next masterclass.
No. Yo, look at that daily candle. Oh, Madonna. Madonna mia. Madonna mia. So we do got a little spot here. Yeah, that war is definitely playing a role. Hold up. All right, I'm back. All right, so dang. All right, so now let's pull up silver. And once again, I'm just gonna pull out the 1 hour. We got PDH, EOD, and we got PDL. Okay, cool. Pretty simple. Grab this guy right here. Okay, cool. All right, extended. So silver, we're coming right into previous day low. Cool. Nothing crazy. Silver actually has some GBIs. All right, MES. Let's go at ES. Okay, I'm liking ES for short. Let's grab some levels here. Let's see. Okay, boom. All right, and over here we got the 2 minute. Cool. Yeah. So potentially how this works is we identify our RBI and then we look for a move off it. So let's see if we can get a pull up into that, a little pull back into that, and see if we can grab a nice little pop here. I mean, it is super bearish right now. Super bearish. Looks like we're getting a nice little bear flag too. See, let's see what happens here. I don't like the fast move down. Fast moves tend to get a little squirrely. All right. All right. Oh, snap. No. Come here. MNQ. Let's check out NQ. I think I see something on NQ. All right, so NQ is a little different story. Let's see if we can get a 2-minute 20 retest here on NQ for a short play. It's very volatile right now, guys, so go a little bit lower size. Go 3. Watching that 5. You know, 1 minute. Oh, there we go. You know what? Patience, patience. I do like this on the 1-minute 20. We're retesting the area of value. My next question. The 1-minute 20 is getting a little love. Nothing crazy, but it is getting a little bit of love. Not enough, though. Oh, I did respect it. Patience. Stay patient. See what happens right here. See what happens right here. All right, so the 2-minute, 1 minute, showing some strength. If sellers hold this 1 minute, I think I'm going to try a short play down to here. ES is coming back up into that area of value. So, I mean, ES looks good too. I like trading NQ a little bit more. ES is right at that 2-minute 20. Oof, Madon. Oof, Madon. Madonna mia. Yeah, it's all about the patience. It's all about the patience. You know, sometimes you want to see the move you want to see, but you know, sometimes it's just not. It's not what you think, bro. It's just not what you always think. I almost feel like that's a fake out to the downside. But it's showing a little bit of love. Mm. 2-minute 20 is getting a little love right here. I'm gonna hummina. Hummina. Okay, ready? So we're gonna go NQ and we're gonna go 3. I'm gonna go I'm going to go on NQ. I got tight risk on NQ. I'm adding 3. See if we can get a push down here. Yeah, it didn't really tag it. But it's inside the AOV. I want to see if we get a little continuation right here. I'll give it a little shot. I'll give it a little shot. I'll throw 100 on it and see what we get. Let's see what we get. I like that 5-minute. I like where the 9 is. Definitely a little bearish. Let's see. I'm gonna let the champagne bottle pop. I'm gonna do that. What? Well, I guess I'm clipped. All right, let's just see what happens here at the 20. Damn. All right, so we're in the AOV. We're retesting it. ES is definitely trying pretty hard here. If I can't do it, homie, it can be done. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to the individuals that joined us today on the our RBI GBI Masterclass. RBI GBI Masterclass we had. It was phenomenal. If you missed it, that sucks. It was really good, but it's okay. I uploaded it onto my Discord, and it's on YouTube. So feel free to check it out. It's phenomenal. It was a great time. Had a bunch of people come on that aren't on the team to, kind of see how we roll. It was a great session, great masterclass. Let's see here. Let's see. So it looks like we came right up to that 2-minute 20. ES is looking a little more bullish than NQ. I can tell you that. No. Ooh, silver. Hold on 1 second, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in short here on NQ. Coming to get our money back, baby. Coming to get our money back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we can get a little push here. Once again, playing the RBIs and GBIs. That's it. Trend is pretty bearish. We're just taking advantage of it the best way we know how. That's it. That's it. Downside target here. Playing out of the AOV. That's it. AOV. Where's my trend at? There it is. Get my money. We might really sell off here, guys. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Coming into the trend. Can we break? Yes, no, maybe so. How do I want to play this? I want to see weakness here. I want to see some weakness. Oh, yeah, we snapping. We coming into it pretty strong. Coming into it. This is important right here, though. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. I'ma let champagne bottle pop. I'ma take you to the top. Hit the spot, baby, baby. So I'm putting a little stop right here on half my position. Right above that guy. If we could get back below this moving average, we're gonna sink. Only thing is we didn't get a GBI right there, and I don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, so let's do another take profit at, we're in short, so we want to buy. Let's look for a little trim right here. I'm going to bump that. Yep. Right there. So if that clips, I'll take 3 off the top and lock in, get my money back. I don't like playing with trends. Trend lines get a lot of fake outs at these things. If we keep going, we keep going. Nice. If I can't do it, homie, it can be done. Yeah, this is our strategy, man. This is how we look to trade every day. Once you master the strategy, it's trading. You know, you get a little more sense to it. All right, I took 3 off, got my money back. Now we're playing with the house money. Playing with the house money. Yeah, see, I don't like them trend lines, man. I don't. We'll put it at break even. Let's see if that 20 can hold. AOV held pretty good. You know, I think what makes NQ so difficult at times is it fluctuates so fast. But great profit taking right there. Great profit taking. I like how I didn't leave much play here at the trend line. I didn't. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna book it if it needs to get booked. Let's see here. What we got? And I'm gonna be a degenerate and add in because that's just what I do. Yes, sir. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. It's a dicey play, but somebody's got to take it. Let's get a GBI right here and just sink. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Yes. See, this is why moving averages are just very effective, guys. These are a very effective tool. Very effective. And this is why I teach everyone that joins my team. I show you guys how to really use moving averages in a way, especially with futures trading, where you literally are just going to carve the market up. Stop above the previous candle. Carving the market up. Come on. Got 3 minutes to get a GBI here. Come on, sugar. I don't like the 1 hour trend whatsoever. That's the only thing I don't like about this trade, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, love. It's okay, sugar. We got tight risk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Come on. Yeah, that's a GBI. That's a green bar ignored. So technically, we should get a little follow through here. Unless buyers pull the fake out, and then I'll be looking for a long. If buyers prevail here, I'll look for a long. But typically, a green bar ignored is a sign that we're going to get a strong move to the downside right here. Brandon, what's up, stud? Look at this move we're getting right here. Moving averages, key. GBI, key. Just rinse, repeat over and over, baby. I'm going to put a buy in right here. What do I want to do? What do I got? The 5 minute. I got the 1 minute right here. What's the 2 minute? Yeah, I want to hold this, guys. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. Ooh, give me the clip. Give me the clip. Am I a degenerate, man? What am I doing? I got it. I'm just going to trust the GBI. I'm going to trust the GBI. I think we can get a little continuation. And what I'm going to do is just bump this. So if it pulls back on me, I'm going to play into a key level right here, guys. Playing right into a key level. I'm anticipating a break below it. That's a GBI, though. It's crazy how it works, right? All right, so stop a little above the previous 1 minute candle. Let's get a push. Let's get a push. All right, took a take profit right there. It's a key level right here. Let's see if this moving average can hold. Going with a break even. I don't want to give no money back on this. I'm also watching silver for a short play. My mother-in-law is going to kill me. All right. Edit. Okay, stop. Actually, stop. I'm putting the stop where it needs to go, which is above the previous green bar that was ignored. Potential add-in. I think this can go much further, guys. I think go much further. Watching the 1 minute 20. So obviously, you guys know. I think I told you guys I'm getting married in August, and I like built the website for my wedding and all this like RSVP, and like my mother-in-law. It's like, can you add this hotel? Can you do this hotel and this one? And can you add the Airbnbs and all this stuff? And I'm like, sure, why not? And you know, you gotta love it. Tailwater. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's another. Let's see. These. Where's my 5 minute? Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. That's looking bearish. Let's get that push. All right, let's break 24241. Let's break this level. If we break this thing's gonna sink, dude. It's not if we break it, it's when we break it. Ready? Watch it. Watch it, love. We're short, so I'm gonna want a. There it goes. Told you. Told you. Let's see. Oh no, not three. Not three. No! I didn't mean to do that. Shit. Oot. I did not mean to get out of that trade. I was just trying to get rid of one. Damn. It's okay. You know why it's okay? Because we know how to trade. I'll find another opportunity. It's completely fine. That sucks, though. It's probably going to sell through. Healthy 5 minute trend. Bearish market. Broke that trend line. There it goes. Damn it, Bobby. And I can't hop in it because there's no, I mean, it's just, I don't, it's fine. I'll wait for the next move. Shit. That was stupid. There it goes. There it goes. Sink. Damn it. You know, that's so fucking, I'm so pissed. Hee-haw. Brandon, that's the hee-haw. You suck. You jackass. Hee-haw. It's okay. Not worried about it. Honestly, it's not a big deal. I really don't care. That ain't no big deal. That was still a good trade. That was still a good trade. Healthy 5 minute trend. This thing's going to probably cook. All right, let's look at silver and gold. Yeah, orange fan, it don't matter to me, buddy. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. There's always shoulda. There's always woulda. There's always coulda. It really doesn't matter. That, you know, I'm going to find the opportunity regardless. But I'm glad you caught it. That's awesome, buddy. I'm glad the RBIs and GBIs are working for you. All right, let's see what silver's got. Green bar, boom, ignored. If I can do it, homie, it can. Okay, watch silver though. Falling below PDL is pretty important. What's the 1 hour look like? Big sell off. Boom. Bear target 80.72. All right, so we got a target. Let's see. Oh, dude, this thing's looking nasty. The happy you suck, you jacket. Happy Gilmore was one of the best movies in the world. I was about 5 years old when that movie came out, I think. Life-changing. Watch previous day low here on silver because we're range-bound here. We're range-bound. And if buyers take PDL, I really think this thing can rip. But I'm not going to assume it. I'm not going to assume. NQ's battling that level, that low. I'm watching NQ for a possible re-entry. Is this silver? This is silver on what time frame? The 1 minute? Yeah, let's go back to NQ. Let's go back to NQ here. All right, let's see what happens here. So what I'm watching here is a healthy trend to the downside. And this is a 2 minute. I'm gonna get nitty and gritty on the 1. Are we gonna sink right through this? I am not entering just yet. So you gotta play this careful. You know, it's easy to get frustrated and be like, dude, I was in it, now I'm not. So then it's very easy to rush the entry. Just stay patient. Stay patient. Let's see. I do like that 5 minute trend. I don't like the 1 hour trend. But I think them Asians are about to start selling this. But irregardless, like if I choose to take a trade off the 5, which I'm not going to, unless we hold it. If this candle holds the 5, I'll enter short. And my stop goes where? Right above the candle that's respecting the 5, right? I'm not going to risk a lot. I'm going to play that tight. But I would much more like... Let's see here. A little dicey. All right, so while that's materializing, let me update this website for my mother-in-law. What do you mean you can't do it? Why can't you fix the website and put the link on there? It's getting late. I'm a little short. All right, let's see. Nah, she's awesome. She's mad cool. Can we get a 20 retest? No. Look at that 5 minute. Honestly, this sounds a little crazy. Ah, shit. I'm in this. I know it's dicey. Don't enter if you don't want to. But we keep holding that 5 on the 2 minute. 2 minute 5. Hold. Let's get a GBI right here. Watch. This is professional scalping shit right here, guys. You see that? Come on now, baby. Come on, sugar. Come on, man. Listen. This is what we do. This is what we do. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. Nothing crazy. Only 3 contracts. But listen, dude, these moving averages, they tell stories. Let's see if buyers can hold that. That might be, so that is a GBI, right? So that's a good sign. But if this can't hold, it potentially be a mega fake out to the downside. So let's see. I'm actually going to double up the size right there. Pretty confident. So guys, this would be a sign of an aggressive selling situation. It's when you're pretty confident that it's going to continue in a direction. So this is what we're talking about in the academy today. So what you do is you aggressively add in, but notice my add in was right next to my initial entry. So I'm not butchering my overall entry, right? I hopped in here and then I added in right here so I could take advantage of this lovely move to the downside. Oh, dude, if sellers can stay below this, man, we might get a wild push. You got to go for it. I don't like them trend lines, but you got to go for it. You got to try it. Let's see. So the 1 minute 5 has been holding pretty well. And it continues to hold. Oh, my Lord, man. I'm telling you, dude. HPT till I die. This is what we do, guys. This is what we do. How far are we going to go, man? Jeez. Keep it going. Friggin' savages. Let's put a take profit. Oh, no. It's going quick. Don't pull up on me. There we go. Stop by. 3 cons right there. All right. I took 3. That was a monster. Who caught that with me? Who caught that with me? W's. Give me the W's. That was a monster. Great trade. Great trade. Jeez. Look at that. Absolute monster. Jordan, good trade, man. Took some faith, but great trade. Great trade. Awesome. Awesome. You know, and this is why I trade the way I do. This is why I study my moving averages. This is why I study my RBIs, my GBIs. I've been collecting data on this for a long time. And initially, it's the same story over and over. Identify the conditions of the market and then trade accordingly. Give her a little room. I don't want to give too much of this back. I don't know. I'll like put it at 100. There's a strong push to the downside, but us below that level is very bearish. So honestly, I feel like, yeah, I should have booked it, Brandon. I should have. Now I gotta put it at a break even. I'm not gonna take a $30 profit here. Are we touching any move? Oh yeah, we are. Oh come on, hold that 5. Hold it. All right, here comes the degeneracy. Here comes the degeneracy. Adding in. Off that. Should have waited for this to close. Definitely. But if it closes below it, we're in good shape. There we go. Stop right above it. Let's get a continuation. Come on, sugar. Retest. Can she go? Can she go? Nope. All right. Still a good trade. It might be a fake out to the downside. Still a good trade. Let's see here what this AOV retest looks like. This is actually should have been the entry of the add-in, but I went a little retard over there. So yeah, that 2 minute 5 is getting a lot of love. It's getting a lot of love. I'm watching this trend line retest right here. Nice. Turned out to be okay night. Carving up these markets, man. I'm glad you guys are, finding value, here. That's really, I trust me, man. Trading is, it could be very, I don't know. Until I seen this stuff, I was struggling, man. I mean, it's brought a lot of clarity to my trading for sure. It's nice to know that it's helping other people too. Yeah, it's holding that 2-minute 5. I'm not gonna chase that, man. All right, guys, let me give me a second here to post this on my website. This wedding's literally costing me like a lot of freaking money, man. That's what it's all about right there, though. I'm gonna add. Hold on, let me see here. All right, yeah, that 2-minute 5 still holding, but I'm not chasing any of that. That 5, I should, because that 5-minute. So, if you look at my entry I took over here, I took it because we couldn't close above the 2-minute 5 whatsoever. So, this candle did close above the 2-minute 5. Doesn't mean it's going to reverse up. Probably not. I'm going to try this. 2-minute 5's getting love. Five-minute trend's pretty healthy. I mean, I'm only risking $76 here. I like the retest of that trend line. Stop above the previous 1-minute candle. There goes. So you see how, I don't, yeah, I got a little frustrated when I got stomped out. All right. Got clipped, or I didn't get clipped. I took profits super early. And I remind myself, we have the skills to identify the opportunity. So, there's really no point in getting super frustrated. I mean, it doesn't help or make it easier by any means, but it's no matter what I'm going through, I always go, what's the next best move on the chessboard, and how can I implement it? We're kind of a little far away from that 1-minute 20. I'm probably might get a little clipped here. Trying to think how I want to play it. Because the 5-minute trend's healthy. I think it can continue. We retested the moving averages. Sellers defended it on the 5-minute. I don't want to risk too much on it. I think I'm just going to leave my stop right there. If it clips me, I could always get right back in off the 2-minute 20. Yeah, so I'll risk $82 here. I don't love it, but it is what it is. And what I'm doing is I move it and then look at my 5-minute. And I go, okay, what am I willing to see here? What am I willing to see? I like it. I like it. There we go. There it is. Sellers keep holding that, man. This is pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive selling. Look at this 5-minute time frame. Bam, there it goes. Come on, baby. Trend line snaps. Silver retested PDL. Looks pretty good. Whoa. Fake out. Maybe. 5-minute trend looks good. Still holding that. It might clip me. Yeah, I'm going to go for it. Let's see what we get. Break even. If it hits me, I'm going to put it right above the previous candle. If it clips me, I'm out. She dicey. Just trying. Sellers are really trying. So are buyers. It might come back up to the 20. Whatever. Yep. That's all right. All right, y'all. I'm going to call it a night. I'll take the 484. Great trading. Be able to walk away. Nothing, phenomenal play. Great, execution today. I'm actually really proud of it. HPT members, I will see you tomorrow live, crushing the New York session. Everybody else, I hope you've been able to take advantage of what we're offering here. Keep mastering your moving averages. Keep watching. Don't get frustrated if you miss the move like I just did. It don't freaking matter. We're going to get another move tomorrow. That sucks. All right, gentlemen. Have a great night. I'll see you guys on the Discord tomorrow. Peace.